water bottles. Got the little thingy. I'm just gonna put these. Shit, right there. Shit, I hope that's loud as hell. I'm just gonna put this right here. Hold on. Something like that. Okay. Bro, what be taking you so long?
Please. What takes you so long?
To do what?
To get your hair done. Whatever y'all do. Worry about what I do.
Don't worry about what you do.
I need to put my seatbelt on. What was that? What was that?
Did you close that fence?
What?
Did you close the gate?
Yes. No, I don't know. What was that? What?
Schnitzel.
What do you mean it's schnitzel?
Schnitzel.
What?